The current state of the technology at the moment is that the entire industry globally is looking at next generation technology.
The volume of technology coming onto the market, how quickly it's being introduced and adopted into the market is fairly significant at the moment.
Well, one of the things we're seeing in hotels as a touch point is the fact that the traditional lobby reception area is changing. It's becoming a social interactive hub.
So no longer do you check in at a reception desk, you might check in on a bar. And then technology brings that experience to life and curates that experience through the public spaces.
But we're also seeing as well is the arrival of digital signage in the lobbies so that people can be informed about local attractions or things inside the hotel.
Where we can wow our guests is in our public spaces. We should be able to put things in our public spaces that you did not think were possible, that you walk in and go, wow, that piece of art is actually a screen. So I think where the challenge is for us as an industry, together with partners like Samsung, is to think about changing spaces that were designed for a purpose and making them multifunctional. You might have a meeting space in the corner of a restaurant, and the conference room also becomes a restaurant after dark or a bar, and these fixed boxes of real estate start to disappear, but the whole stay is curated by screens and technology.
You know, special items in the happy hour menu or featuring food items that might be served in restaurants.
We've seen that everybody has adopted these changes very quickly. Video conferencing, which the world is well and truly across now, has been significant.
The TV's changed its role in a sense that it allows people to stream their content off their phone using the hotel onto the big picture, so into the big screen, and so they can enjoy a film instead of watching it on their tablet or the phone.
We were early adopters of the flat screen television. We would have people stay in our hotels to experience a flat screen TV when they had a box at home. And we've got a bit of work to do. However, there is no doubt that in a guest room, we should be able to put as a minimum standard what you experience at home.
What we're also seeing now, of course, is the importance and rise of what we call screen sharing. In Australia, there are 11 million subscribers to Netflix, and what a lot of people now is they want to watch their own content, their own time, at their own pace.
You've got some kind of mirroring technology with the screen in the room. Light switches and interaction with the room is pretty simple as well. So there's a lot of options for the guests depending on the level of hotel they're staying at.